Hi, today we are making sweet potato and cheese calzone. Ingredients are butter, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, granulated garlic, all-purpose seasoning, and a family secret. Also, shredded cheese. First roll your dough. Then put it on your pan and add cheese. Then add your sweet potatoes, which should be seasoned, and spread it on your pan. Then add another layer of cheese and dough. Next, add egg yolk on top of your dough. Cook it for approximately 20 minutes at 350 degrees. It should come out like this. Sorry for the low quality. We hope you enjoy, and if you like this recipe, you should check out our other videos.